The book of Job is about a man named Job, who is described as righteous and blameless, blessed with wealth and family. One day Satan challenges God, saying Job is only faithful because of his prosperity. To test Job, God allows Satan to take away all Job's possessions, his children, and even his health. Despite his intense suffering, Job refuses to curse God. Job's friends, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar, visit him, insisting that Job must have sinned to deserve such suffering. They argue that God is just, and Job's suffering is a punishment. But Job maintains his innocence and struggles to understand why he is suffering so greatly. A young man named Elihu also speaks, suggesting suffering can be a means of growth. Eventually, God speaks to Job out of a whirlwind, not answering Job's questions directly, but instead showing the vastness of his creation and the limitations of human understanding. Job realizes the greatness of God and repents for questioning his justice. In the end, God restores Job's fortunes, blessing him with even more than he had before. The story teaches us that we may never fully understand suffering, but it calls us to trust in God's wisdom and His larger purpose beyond what we can see.